Are you looking for an easy way to organize your notes on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily move notes from one folder to another. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Notes app on your iPhone, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's create a quick note. So let's go over to a folder and then tap on the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now that I have the ability to create a new note, let's just quickly add a photo to this note. I am finished creating the note. Let's tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save it. So let's see how you can move notes from one folder to another. Simply tap and hold the note, and it will show you a bunch of options. So from these options, simply select Move, and it will show you these folders. So if you have already created a specific folder to move your notes into, just select that one. If you don't have a folder, you can tap where it says New Folder, and it will simply create one. Just enter a name for your folder and tap Save. So now you've saved your note in that specific folder. If you want to access that folder and view your notes, just go back to the Folders page, and you'll see all the folders. Just tap on the folder where you saved your note, and you'll see it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.